Hey guys, this is Dr. Yusuf Mathai, Oregon Health Direct Primary Care, here with the EMSculpt bus. I mean, this is pretty exciting. I'm here in Huntington Beach, but this is coming to Tualatin, Oregon Health Direct Primary Care in July, man. We're really excited to introduce this. You know, we're gonna actually be having a couple of complimentary VIP treatments. We're hoping to have a whole bunch of you guys out there. We're gonna have refreshments. We're gonna be doing some treatments as well. You know, we're gonna have EMSculpt Classic. I mean, this is a beast. This is an awesome machine. We've had it in our clinic. Our patients are loving it. But even better, we're going to be introducing the new baby to our family, EMSculpt Neo. I mean, this right here, this is the future right here. You know, it's going to burn fat. It's going to build muscle. It's going to be amazing. And again, we're going to be doing some demo treatments to all our VIP invites. So coming next week, we're going to start launching this. We're going to start sending out some invites. We definitely want you guys to let us know if you guys are going to be coming in. And again, one of the things that's really underrated about our practice, and one of the things that I really love, is right here, the EMScellar. You know, we use this a lot for urinary incontinence, but it has so many other functions. Sexual health is going to be a big thing. And you know, we have a big sexual health practice. This right here has given us a whole bunch of results. Again, this is going to be one of the things that's going to be on demo. We're going to be doing some VIP treatments on here. Again, it's going to be in July. Look out for those invites coming out next week. We hope to see you guys there.